Imagine, friends. Friend, before it comes, I'll tell you how it is. Shall I start? It is not done. It's not, video is not coming, man. Okay, carry on. Sir, let's see this basket. Sir, let me tell that this basket is very heavy. When I delivered a couple of years, maybe in 2007 or 8, I delivered for Titan watch, Titan watches. Sir, in Goa, there was a big distributors meet. Maybe 2,000 people were there. I remember those days, their CEO, Mr. Bhaskar, he came on the dais. He told Pawanji, this is very heavy. I want to give something to Dabawala. I told, very good man, give. Sir, after 1 month, Mr. Bhaskar, their team, they worked very hard. And from Bangalore, by air, they sent so cute basket. With 2-wheel, 4-hand, this plate can be changed so they can take advertisement from company. Very cute. Lightweighted. Actually, I told sir it's not possible. No, you give Dabawala. It's very good. I given Dabawala. In 1 week they are broken. They told it's useless. Can you imagine, friend? Despite the fact, sir, Titan was ready to give free any number whatever you want without my name Titan. That was they are supporting. But because it is free, if it is not useful, they will not take. That's the culture of the power. They don't take. Number 2, it's heavy because they say our work is, our nature of work is so. I should work heavy because I'm trying lot of. So I cannot do this. Friends, if you see, before that I'll show about tiffin also. Friend, there were olden days where 100% tiffin were like this. 100%. Nowadays, 50%, 40%, sometimes 30%. Why? Many people want hot pot. Not only this, some wife do not use only tiffin. She want to cover with the bag. Because she is carrying lot of her husband food. बोलते हैं वो पूरी नजर लगती है डब्बे को, तो she want to give bag also. The boy says, okay ma'am, no problem. What the boy do? Coding on tiffin, coding on bag also. He will not refuse. But if tiffin is big, if tiffin is of 2%, something may happen. Father and son working in same company, they bring tiffin, 1 tiffin only. So Dabawala comes to know, Bhabhi, it's a heavy weight. It's a 2% tiffin. So please do 200 more. So if heavy weight is there, if big size is there, they will ask extra. Otherwise they don't ask extra. They don't ask extra. Number 2, sir, your journey may be how many? No problem. How much? You may be 40 kilometers or 60 kilometers. Rate is same. Because they don't charge rate as per traveling of local train. They charge more if your house is far away from station. Because they have to walk 30 minutes, 20 minutes. Then they will ask more. Can you imagine, friends? Continuously they are working. Because they are working excellently, many people honor them. Many documentary had, many TV have made documentaries. MTV, UTV, I would say A to Z TV of the world have made document about us. Because you work continuously. Friend, if you work consistently, you have to prove to the customers, yes, you are good. People will mad after you. They will friends. Friends, they are taking time. So let me share one thing. Friend, how you are connected to working with social also. Sir, have you heard Share My Dabba? I'll tell you what is this system. Sir, maybe 19 months back, what we had decided means we have to decide when we deliver tiffin to you. Sometimes some people do not eat tiffin because your meeting is there, your college or function, because you already eaten somewhere, you don't eat. So when we are collecting tiffin back, we will come to know that tiffin is not eaten. Now we have decided to, we use this food for good purpose, but we are in dilemma because we are not allowed to open tiffin. So what we got idea before 16 months. Suppose sir, you are not eating 5 times, 10 times, 20 times, 2 times. So we have given those customers one sticker. On that we have written Share My Dabba. I told customers, whenever you are not eating food, if you want, I can share this tiffin with somebody else. Put your sticker. Sir, as of today, more than 162 street children eating food which is not eaten by customers. My dear friends, without any extra payment, 2 hours in the evening, Dabawala are working for street children. My dear friend, you work excellent. It doesn't require money. Sorry, I am not praising again Young Indians or CII. From 2007, I am associated with them. I saw friends. They want to work for the youngsters. They want to work for the society, community. So it is possible. It is possible. Easily. It doesn't take more time. Can it possible? It is possible, friends. But again, it requires consistently. If you work excellently, sir, you can come to know, yes, it is possible. Very straight away. Friend, as far as coding is concerned, forget it. I'll tell coding over here only. Coding we do on the top. Sir, can you imagine? This coding they do with simple piece of paper. Simple matches they become the brush. Because they use those resources which are easily available at no cost. That is a simple piece of paper. Sir, this coding is just simple. Of course, unfortunately, screen is not there. I don't know what happened to them. So you can use my laptop. Pardon? This is VLP. VLP stands for Relay Parley. The residential structure of customer. E stands for Dabawala, who is going to collect tiffin from Relay Parley. T stands for Nourishment Point, working area of customer. It means number E Dabawala will go to Relay Parley. He will collect it from Relay Parley. This tiffin will travel from Relay Parley to Nourishment Point. During this traveling, this tiffin will mix at least 6 times. But it will reach Nourishment Point. When it will reach Nourishment Point, who will pick this tiffin? Mr. 9 Dabawala. He will deliver ES for Express Tower. 12 stand for 12th floor. Without name address, customer got tiffin at his place. Why 12th floor? Why not office table? Because your company do not allow on office table. Because of security. It deliver on floor. Sir, without name address, I know you must be looking Mr. D'Souza. So who is Mr. D'Souza? Mr. Customer is a D'Souza. Mr. Customer D'Souza could not recognize his own tiffin, he writes name. Can you imagine this? And how they do coding? Just see. Coding. Simple majestic. Simple majestic on the brush. So what is Spanish doing? When he's doing coding, if when you clean tiffin at home, sometimes the coding is not visible properly. If any Dabawala comes to know coding is not visible properly, he will remove color from pocket and with finger he will override. He will not say it is not my job. He will do the job. Go, karna hai to karna hai. Why excuse me? I will do it. Can you imagine? Because of that, they consistently work very. Of course, this is luggage compartment. So what we name? They do sorting also on road. They travel. This is sorting on road. After that, they work, of course, at large, and you will come to know how they travel. They stand near running local train, and they work excellently. Because they work excellently, I told you, UTV, PTV, A to Z TV, many achievements, 6 Sigma, Guinness Book of World Record, Dabawala issued ISO certificate without application. This is me. I got PhD on this. My honor, time is not permitting, but let me tell you, in 2003, Prince Charles came to meet Dabawala. When Prince Charles supposed to meet, before 6 months, Mr. Jitendra Jain phoned Dabawala, 6 months before. Dabawala, Prince Charles want to visit you. As usual, Dabawala, I don't know who is Prince Charles. He told he's the king of London. Oh, king, we will allow him, no problem. Dabawala allowed him. With 2 conditions. First condition, Dabawala told, we will allow only 20 minutes to Prince Charles because Dabawala is very busy. Number 2, we cannot go to Prince Charles. Prince Charles should come to us. Where? Churchgate footpath. Mr. Chancellor asked, Dabawala, how you speak like this? Dabawala told, sir, we respect king, but 200,000 customers are the true king. We cannot disturb our customers for one king. That's the reason he is to request. And he told, wow, amazing, I'll come. He came and he told, man, nobody can work like this all over the world. You only can do. Because of that, all over the world, Dabawala recognized because of Prince Charles. From that day, Dabawala started to believe Prince Charles also God for them. Friend, not only this, when Prince Charles supposed to marry, when Dabawala came to know Prince Charles married, because Dabawala started to believe God and prayed to Prince Charles. So they purchased turban. They purchase turban. Then they want to purchase something for Bhabi. You know Bhabi, Mrs. Prince. Then they purchase sari, Kolhapuri chappal. Now they want to send. They send this gift to Prince Charles, and Dabawala got invitation for Prince Charles' marriage. Before they started for marriage, 3 days before, they got news in newspaper. They phoned me, sir, you got news? What happened? Sir, newspaper says that this is second marriage of Prince Charles, which is not good. So they are reluctant to go to attend second marriage because Indians and Malgari, they are not happy. I told Dabawala, who told you second marriage? Dabawala, you got invitation for the first time. For Dabawala, this is first marriage. You go. Friend, what is my message? Because Prince Charles recognized them, they want to believe Prince Charles God. It means if somebody helped you, you should not forget that help. Because friend, because of that help, we work throughout the life. That's the important message which we give you. It's very important. Friend, of course, see, Richard Branson also came to Mumbai. Prince came, Bill Clinton, who not came. But Richard Branson came and Branson wanted photo with Dabawala. Because he wanted photo, he brought his own tiffin from London. I remember, I gave my cap to Mr. Branson. And what Mr. Branson told media people? When media people asked Mr. Branson, why you want photo? Branson told, this photo I will place in office and I will tell my people, work like Mumbai Dabawala. That's why he wants photo. What is my message? All over the world people are good, but Indians are too good. Provided you should show your goodness. Friend, many times we are hiding our goodness. People do not know how you are good. Friend, you should work consistently. People will come to know. It happens many places, man. I cannot take more time. It's Young Indians, CI, all of our friends, all over world we go, and we feel proud that it happens everywhere. Along with Annadata, we are giving our Gyanadata also, and I told you social commitment also. Sir, we work every year on 1st of December HIV/AIDS. Sir, believe me, every Dabawala contribute 50 rupees for the worship of God, for puja, and 15 rupees for Dharmashala called social guest house as Alandi, Bhimashankar, Pandharpur, like this. Because they feel pilgrims go there, they should get their free food, free shelter, so they contribute per month 15 rupees. Can you imagine this? Social commitment. Friends, it's my privilege, my honor, added PhD on this. I'll take 5 minutes more. Friend, again my message to youngsters and even those who are entrepreneurs or maybe those who want to learn something. Friend, there is no limit till what you can learn. Friend, every moment we learn from every other person. Sir, I took 9 years to research, despite the fact I work 18 hours a day, right? Sir, now I started second PhD last 3.5 years. This is concerned to media people. Sir, I am delivering speeches because I done research, started research on newspaper delivery boys. We call Mumbai Dabawala and now Mumbai Paperwala. Sir, 5,000 Dabawalas are there, 50,000 newspaper delivery boys are there. 50,000. Sir, these media people gets only 5 days holiday in a year. Only 5 days holiday. Out of 365 days, they get only 5 days holiday. No peer, no CR, nothing. Because only 5 days you cannot get newspaper. Despite they were passionate. Sir, among 50,000, those were delivery boys. So, sir, 40,000 students हैं, 40,000 Mumbai में, those who deliver newspaper. Am I right? Maybe in Mysore also. Sir, among 40,000, 32,000 school children. Sir, and how they were, just see, midnight, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Again, this video also not playing, unfortunately. Friends, midnight, 2 o'clock. And sir, how many newspaper? In Mumbai, we get sir 192 newspaper. 192 types of newspaper. You know how Mumbai is metropolitan city. Sir, they work midnight. And those people who work, they are students, maybe 12 years, maybe 17 years, 18 years, like this. 12 years also. Unfortunately, video is not there, other way I can show you proof. Friends, these people, these children deliver and carry 40 kg, 50 kg on their shoulder. So this boy is studying in 11th standard. I took shooting before 6 months. His younger brother is in 9th standard. Sir is delivering on 9th floor, 10th floor. When I took his shooting, I asked that boy, why you are going on 9th floor by staircase? Why don't you use lift? I got shocking answer from him. He told, uncle, paper wala do not allow to use lift, so I should go by staircase on 9th floor. I asked him, why you are carrying all newspaper on 9th floor? If one paper, other paper can keep down. He told me, uncle, if I keep paper down, sometimes some paper gets stolen. I should carry all paper. Friends, I took this video. I was really, a lot of tears in my eyes. Sir, one man told, despite my father expired, I should come to deliver newspaper in the morning. Despite my father expired. I asked him, is it good? What he answered, sir, I cannot do cremation in the morning. We do after morning. So I should come 2 hours, no problem. I have to come. Can you imagine, friend? Then I saw one 11-year-old girl child. Dance Sunna, and please tell this story to your children. I took her interview. Unfortunately, I couldn't. Video was there. You couldn't saw lively. I asked that 12-year-old girl, ma'am, my dear child, what you are doing? Listen what she interviewed me. She told, uncle, I get up 4:30 sharp. I come at this place 5:30 sharp. 5:30 to 6:30, I collect newspaper. 6:30 to 7, I handle stall in school uniform. 7 o'clock, she go to school. 1 o'clock, she come back home. 1 to 3, she help her mother in kitchen. 3 to 5, she go to sleep. 5 to 8, she study. Oh my God. Morning 4:30 to 9:30, she is working. Sir, I went to her school. I met principal. Principal ma'am, can you tell me about this girl? I got shocking news. Principal ma'am told, sir, this girl last 3 years stood top in school. Top in school. But dear students, this message to you all. Your parents are taking a lot of pain. They are working day and night because you should take education. And if during that time you could not take education, it is not good, my dear friends. It is not good. Because that time will not come back. Friends, here I saw 83-year-old man also working. See the chair. See the chair. Sir, when I took interview, this man told, Pawan sir, last 61 years I am working. 61 years is working. Till with this chair. And we get a lot of facilities, even though we are not satisfied. My message is not putting otherwise. I am just giving you satisfaction. Despite the fact, yes, we should satisfied. Sometimes we are not. Because we have a lot of qualities, friend. These are all qualities of not Dabao paper wala. These qualities of every human being, at least every Indian. But I told in the beginning, we do not show our qualities. Show your qualities. Don't worry, you will be asked to work hard work. Please do it. It's very easy. Because by doing working, a lot of people concerns. It's my privilege, sir. I am running Mumbai Dabao Education Center in Mumbai. So, sir, believe me, last 9 years in my school colleges, those Dabao children want education, they are allowed free. Maybe KG, maybe PG, maybe MBA. We do not charge single rupee from their children. Sir, clap goes to Young Indian, CIA and those corporate invite me. You are taking video. Believe me, friends, your money goes for education purpose. My wife knows this money we don't take at home. Not only this, in 2010, I started education for Dabawalas because I want they should learn basic computer. 6 months I take a lot of efforts. They told we are not interested, At the 6 months, I got idea. In my college, I made wooden local train. I put in both PC. I invited them. Dabao told, oh, it's a local train. Now we will come. Because we are running in local train. Now they are coming. Friend, not only this, to teach English, we made wooden classrooms of local train. They sit inside, they learn English. What is my message? If some people, some children may not be working, we should give them atmosphere. I think sir, they can work. So it takes nothing, but we have to do. Because youngsters, young Indians are better than more big people. But in the morning I was sharing somebody, youngsters do not work hard like father or grandfather. My dear friends, if you work hard consistently, believe me, you will get more name, fame, maybe money than your father. Otherwise, no way you can surpass your father's any way, friends. No doubt. Despite you are deserving. Friends, working for others, it's my passion. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Take your seats. I bet the audience is very curious to ask Mr. Pawan a lot of questions. So we'll open the session for a quick question and answer. I want Sachin to handle this.
Please ask questions. I will answer very short.
So, quickly state your name, what company you're from, your student name, and what college you're from.
Sir,
SN Rao, Supreme Pharmaceuticals.
great.
I just want to ask one question. Dabamaras, originally they were all from one community,
You are right.
all from one community, but then the Pandharpur area and all. And they were saying about this culture, and this most tracks, etc. Have you brought in now Biharis, UP people also into it? Or are still you still continue the same group? Because culture changes, that is why.
True. Very good question. I will connect it to HR question, recruitment. Sir, by default, they are coming from the same community. What is the condition to recruit the person? The present